Hey guys, so for today, I'm going to show you how you can use Microsoft OneDrive. So let's start. So, Microsoft OneDrive is a cloud storage service just like Google Drive. So, this is the Microsoft version of Google Drive actually. So, what it does is you can save your files from your desktop, from your phone, and even from your Xbox. So you can back up your files online if you need to troubleshoot your computer, like reset your computer or reformat your computer. You can upload your files to the cloud and then re-download it when your system is up and running. Now, because this is living in the cloud, you can actually access your files from anywhere. Right, so here there are multiple ways that you can access Microsoft OneDrive. So, first is using your browser. So, go to Microsoft.com, and once you're here, click on OneDrive. And from this page, click on Sign In under Microsoft OneDrive. So here it should log you into your Microsoft account. So if you don't have a Microsoft account, you may need to create a Microsoft account, which is very easy to make and very easy to set up. All right, now once you're logged into your account, it is going to take you to the home folder of your OneDrive. So this is where you can see all your recent files. Now, on your left-hand side, you will see your create or upload button. This is where you create files or upload files. You can also see your home button. So this is going to show all the recent and significant files that you have on your OneDrive. You also have My Files. So these are the files that you uploaded to OneDrive. You also have here shared. So these are the files that you shared with other people. And you have the recycle bin. So these are the files that you deleted from your OneDrive. Now let's talk about create or upload. Now here you can create Word document, an Excel spreadsheet, PowerPoint presentation, OneNote notebook, or Excel survey. So let's go ahead and try Word document. Let's click Word document. Now, this is going to open Microsoft Word in your browser, and from here, you can create your document. So let's say, for example, let's just type, this is a test, and you can give it a name right here. Let's say test 1. And this is going to be automatically saved. So you don't have to manually save this. It will save itself automatically. Now, after this, you can go ahead and close this window. And here you can see that we have our file in here. So if we open this Word file, we will see that this is actually the file that we created earlier. Okay, now let's close this one and let's try to make Excel workbook. So just like the Microsoft Word, it is going to open your Microsoft Excel on the browser. Now you can add your information or data here. So let's say sample. And you can also rename this one. Let's call this one sample. And again, this is automatically saved in your OneDrive. So when you close this one, you will see that your file is right over here. So this is how you can use your Microsoft OneDrive using your browser. Now also, it is worth mentioning that OneDrive is actually a feature that you can enable when you install your Windows system. So during your installation of your Windows, you have the option to install OneDrive with it. So if you did that, most probably you will have OneDrive running in your system. Now, if you have OneDrive running in your system, all you have to do is open up your File Explorer here, and you will actually see this folder here with a cloud. So this is your OneDrive. So if you click this one, it is going to open up a folder, and if you look at status, it says that it is in the cloud. So this is your OneDrive folder. Now, if this is not enabled in your system, what you can do is click on the Windows button, and here under your applications, click on all. Now scroll down and look for OneDrive, or you can also type it here. Let's type OneDrive. So it's right over here. So let's open this one. Let's click it and it will open your OneDrive folder. Now what you can do is you can right click on this folder and go to OneDrive. and go to settings. So here in your settings, click on manage backup. Now here, this is where you can enable your backups automatically. So if you want your documents to be automatically backed up to your OneDrive, you can switch this toggle switch on. If you want your pictures to be automatically backed up to the cloud, you can enable this toggle button right here. And that goes with your desktop, your music, or your videos. So once you enabled these toggle switches, you can go ahead and click on Save Changes, and it is going to back up your pictures or your files to your OneDrive in the cloud. Alternatively, you can also go to save photos and videos from this device. So all the pictures, all the images and videos in your local device will be saved in your OneDrive folder. So you just need to toggle this switch on. And also you have the option to save all your screenshots that you did on your local machine. It is going to be saved to your OneDrive in the cloud too. So you just have to toggle this switch on. So if you enable these features, if you created something on your browser, it will be automatically synced to your local machine. And if you saved something in your local machine, it will be automatically saved in your OneDrive. So Microsoft included a free 5 gigabytes of storage for your OneDrive for free. Now, if that 5 gigabytes run out, you can go ahead and click on upgrade right here. And here you can choose how much storage you want from Microsoft. So they have basic, personal, and family. So it's also worth mentioning that these plans actually comes in with a lot of features. So for example, for your basic plan of roughly $2 a month, you will get 100 gigabytes of cloud storage. For personal plan that comes at $9.99, you will get 1 terabyte of storage. You will also get essential apps from Microsoft such as Copilot, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and so much more. Now, if you also choose family plan at $12.99 a month, you will get 6 terabytes of storage, and this is shareable for 6 people in your family. And it also comes with essential Microsoft apps such as Copilot, Microsoft Word, Excel, and so much more. So here you have an option to pay monthly, or you can also pay for the whole year. And if you choose to pay for the whole year, you will have a saving of up to 16%. Now, once you decide which plan you want to go with, you can simply click on Buy Now. And here you are going to be taken to your confirmation page. So let's go ahead and click on Next. And here you can choose your payment method. So here you can pay via PayPal, or you can also pay using your credit or your debit card. So whichever method you feel comfortable, you can go with it and just follow the prompt and you should be good to go. All right, so that's it for this video, guys. This is how you can use Microsoft OneDrive. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.